Alright guys, welcome to La Carniceria Wagyu cooking channel. My name is Chef Dave Fuerte, and today we're cooking a Thanksgiving special. So in the center here, you're gonna have your bone that goes across, then your chest clavicle here. So we're gonna go ahead and take our knife and just go directly at this, as soon as you can, to the bone. It'll start separating slowly. So I'm basically using just the end of my knife and getting in around the bone. So as you can see here, we're already opening up the breast and we're getting close to the bone right here. Go ahead and look for the other bone and then proceed the same process to the other side. So we're gonna take this one out too. And here you have it, guys. We're gonna put this aside for right now. And then go ahead and separate our tender and then our turkey breast. If it has too much fat on this side, just go ahead and take your knife, cut it off. You can get rid of that. And here you have it, guys. 2 tenders and 2 breasts. And we'll be right back. So what we're gonna do here is we're basically we have our 2 breasts now and our 2 loins, tenderloins from our turkey that we broke down. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of this paper. So we have 2 different ones. We're gonna be using the smoky honey habanero. We have this inside the store. You guys can purchase this. And once again, this is gonna be for the smoker. The reason I like this one is because it has honey granules, so it caramelizes the actual meat itself, and it gives a little kick. Okay, so that's done. So you can see here, it's already seasoned, ready to go with our honey habanero. So we're gonna go ahead and put that aside, and then we're also gonna do grilled turkey. So the grilled turkey is going to be with our Greek Freak seasoning. This, by the way, is butcher paper. You guys can buy it on Amazon or Home Depot or all kinds of different stores have it. So we're going to use that to season our grilled turkey. And this is also available at La Carniceria. Don't be scared to add seasoning on it. This one's perfect because it already has the salt. Pretty much ready to go. If you never had grilled turkey, it's one of my favorites. So we're gonna go ahead and put these aside for right now. So at this point, we have our Greek Freak grilled turkey breast. This is gonna be for the grill. The other one's gonna be for the smoker. So we'll go ahead and set that up. Okay. And we'll be right back.